Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on AliExpress. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. Open the AliExpress application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging in, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right hand corner. And then from the account page, tap on the settings button at the top right hand corner. Under the settings menu, scroll down and then tap on this clear cache button. Simply after tapping on the button, you'll be able to clear cache for your AliExpress application. Doing this will help you clear out unnecessary cached items accumulated on your AliExpress application, which will help the application run smooth and faster. So that was how you can easily clear cache on your AliExpress application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.